Hello everyone, it's Usha Chidasama from Healing Feeling, transforming lives through training and therapy. Now I'm a child and adult psychotherapist and author of this amazing bestseller, Your Happy Child. And I'm really passionate about helping parents to empower their children and heal their own inner child through the experience of adulthood and parenthood. Now, one of the things that I've noticed a lot in my work, because I work in a school as a school counsellor, and I was an ex-teacher, so I've noticed that I'm always around children, so I've noticed a lot of things. But one of the things that does come up a lot, and this isn't necessarily with the children I see in my therapy room, this is across the board. You know, children are not always aware of how to communicate verbally what they feel inside. I don't know whether social media and phones and all of that has got a lot to do with it. I think it has, but in terms of communicating with another person how they're feeling, especially if they're going through like friendship issues, or if there's a problem inside of them, they don't always know how to verbalize, how to bring it out, how to articulate and get clarity on the problem that they're having. So then it becomes difficult for the parent to then help them. And this then leads to low self-esteem. So one of the things that we do is for this workshop is purposefully communicating is a topic, is an area, is a module that we cover. We do things like role play, and I think that's the most strongest and effective way of helping them. So this happy workshop is going to be run very soon, and you can click on the links to find out more information about it. It's for parents and children aged 7 to 11, and you can find out more information from my website. Go to healingfeeling.com, and you can go to my Facebook page, Your Happy Child, and it's also my hashtag, or you can connect with me on Instagram and Twitter using this handle. So that's Usha Chidasama from Healing Feeling, transforming lives through training and therapy. Thank you.